Good morning, everybody. Okay, now before I want to share material about how to write a good and proper news article. I want to introduce myself. I am Anjali. Um, and this time I want to share about how to write a good news article. And today I say thank you because my lecturer give me a chance to explain this material. Um, and I got to be here today, and uh, mm, now we start the material. Okay, guys. What is news writer? Okay. In the next PPT, this is say news writing is the process of getting information and presenting it in a structured, clear, and engaged manner to inform readers about events or topic of interest. Okay, so if you write a news, you must choose good good title from your news. And the second, good news writing should be accurate, concise, and easy to understand. If you write a news, your news must be accurate um, and choice and easy to understand. The people understand about your news. Okay, the next slide. Key elements of a good news article. Okay, this is slide I want to explain the essential in if you write a news. And the first headline or a title from your news. In the headline, you want to explain a clear and attention-grabbing title. Okay, headline in your news, you want to make the people to understand about your news. And the second, lead. In lead, a concise opening paragraph, summarizing in the main points, and you must know the 5W and 1H. This is you must 5W like the who, what, when, where, and why, and the 1H. How. Okay, the third, the body. The body in your news, you must detail information presentation in a logical order. Your news detail information. You must get detailed information from who, from the five W and one H. And the four quotations. You must relevant quotes to add credibility and depth. And the last conclusion. You must make a closing. If your closing, you must make the conclusion statement or summary. You must make your news to summarize about you make the conclusion from your news. Okay, this is it is about key elements of a good news article. How to you writing article? You must use the five key elements: form, headline, lead, body, contents, and conclusion. Okay, next the slide. Okay, next the slides. I want to give the tips to how to you write the news. And the tips for writing news: the one, you must use simple and direct language. You must use the direct sample. You must direct sample and direct language. Direct language and the simple the word for people understand about your news. And the second, be object and avoid personal opinions. And the third, fact and ensure accuracy. And the fourth, use active voice for clarity and engagement. And the five, organize information. Use the important pyramid structure. You must make the news should be structured. And this is five tips to you writing news. Okay, to the next slide. Yes, I want to give the one example how to writing a news. Okay. One month ago, program study international marketing management. They made tour to Bali. Make two study tour to Bali, and I want to make the simple the news about this and example study tour news article. Okay, like I want to explain before. I say in your news you must use the headline and headline about your title about your news. And headline from my example about study tour is international marketing management study. Students visit Bali for study tour. International marketing management visit to Bali to study tour. this is the headline from the news. And the left on the news like this. On November 25, 2024, students from the International Marketing Management Program at Polytechnic Alberta Commodus embarked on a study tour to Bali, visiting top industry and tourist attraction. This is they explain how to he explained they study tour in Bali to learn from industry and visit to tourism in Bali. Okay, next. And money from the news like industry visit the student, learn marketing strength on and tourism and hotel, Krishna Oleh-oleh Bali, and ITDC Bali. So this is like explain about their student marketing management make the study tour in Bali to company visit in hotel in Krishna Oleh-oleh Bali and in ITDC Bali. So this is Bali. And the fourth tourist attraction, they explore iconic spots like Garuda Wisnu, Kencana GWK, Jimbaran Pandawa Beach, and Uluwatu. Okay, next slide. Conclusion, the last from the 5 elements. The conclusion from my news about study tour student marketing management is the tour provides valuable insight into marketing practice and showcasing Bali's culture and natural beauty. So they around in Labuan Bali and visit company in Bali. So look at this slide. Okay, this is picture in hotel before student marketing management going to industry in Bali. And the next, this is picture in Puri Santrian's hotel. It's time the student visit to Puri Santrian to learn about strategy marketing. And this is in Krishna Oleh-oleh Bali. In Krishna Oleh-oleh Bali, they also learn about strategy. And the next, this is the last picture. They visit company in ITDC Bali. Okay, this is like news in the news about student marketing management management made the study tour to Bali. And the last, I want to share planting activity. So, if you writing your news, you must choose a written even on activity you have participated in. And second, write a news article following the structure, like the headline, body, lead, and conclusion. Okay, I think yes. Okay, this is the last slide in my PPT. So I want to say thank you. I hope my material about how to write a news can be understand from to my friends, and I say thank you, and I say apologize if I have the mistake to pronunciation and my explain not true. And thank the last I say apologize and thank you.